Good day my friends, and welcome back to the X Explorer for another video. I'm Yankee Oscar 6 Delta X-Ray Echo, and today it's mail day. I just received a package from my friends at Kaiweets, and if you remember in the past I made a review for them for an electric screwdriver set. Well, today I just received the improved model. This is the ES21 electric screwdriver set. We're going to take a quick look, see what it has, see what it can do, and I can tell you from now that I really like it. And if you thought you might not need one for your workshop, well, I think I might convince you that it's good to actually have one on your workbench. So what we have over here is this really great electric screwdriver set. It has 64 pieces, and what I love the most is this plastic case. I think it there has been a lot of thinking put into this to design it the way it is. So it has this really nice cut in the side, on the side over here, that you can actually charge the electric screwdriver while the screwdriver is inside the case, while sitting on your bench, and you just open it by one click. And we have the set over here, and I really like it because everything in here it's magnetized, so they stick to the case, and it's fantastic. I'm shaking it, nothing drops in, and you know nothing dropped while it was sent here, so it's fantastic. To take it out is really easy. You just press on the front side, it will lift up the bottom part, and you pick it up, and that's it. And to put it back is really easy because it's magnet, so it's beautiful. I absolutely love this screwdriver set. I love the older one as well. I think I'm going to gift that one to someone, because you know, sharing is caring, and I'll stick this one to my workbench just because of the size. It's a lot smaller than the older set, and since I don't have too much space around here, I think this is going to be great. So let's see what else we have over here besides this one, because we're going to take a closer look. We have this magnetic pad, which is useful. I was actually fixing one of my brother-in-law's camera. It's a camera that you put in on the dashboard of your car, and I have to change a USB plug over here. It's a nightmare. I hate SMD components, but yeah, family is family, so I have to try my best to fix this camera. But I was actually working on this one, and I thought I should film a quick review of this electric screwdriver set, since I'm doing stuff on my desk. So this is great. It will stick your screws over here so you don't lose them. Usually, I'll show you in a little bit. We're going to demonstrate the way it works, and I'll show you the way I work to make sure that I don't lose any screws. We have this magnetizer and demagnetizer. This one is great as well. So let's say that one of these screws it's falling down all the time. Let me see, I'm going to take one of these bits, and let's say that the screw doesn't stick to the tip of it, so I'm just going to run it through the magnetizer part, and this will make sure that the screw will actually stick to the top of the bit. Now I apologize, I picked the wrong one. This has a big head comparing to what I should have, but anyway, you get the idea. Anyway, let's leave this one on the side. Don't forget about the manual. I would recommend you to read it, because you get to find out about a bunch of things about this screwdriver set. And now let's take a closer look. So we have the electric screwdriver set over here. I'm going to take a closer look at this one. We have these tweezers. They come in handy. They have really sharp tips, and I really like this. And we also have this tool that I always forget how it's called, but it helps you a lot to open cases, especially when you're working on laptops. I recently used the set yesterday. Actually, I had to change the hard drives for my laptop because the older ones will started to get rusty, and yeah, this one came in really handy. So I'm just going to place it back in here, and the tweezers as well. Oops, they fit really nice. Oh my god, I absolutely love this case. And this is the electric screwdriver set. So we have the charging port over here in the back. One short click is the LED light, and a longer click, it will make you change the level. And it has 5 levels. This one is a lot stronger than the ES20. It's an electric screwdriver that I reviewed some while back. So on the maximum power, it's quite good. But for many cases where you work with sensitive enclosures, maybe like a phone or something, you don't want to, when you tighten a screw, you don't want to crack the case. So in that case, you will use this lower setting. For the stronger stuff, then probably you can use the maximum level, the 5. Over here we have let me put a bit inside. So this one, you take out the screws this way with the bottom one, you put them back in. I really love the shape of this aluminum thingy. I think it's aluminum because it's cold, but it has a really nice grip in your fingers, so it doesn't, when you get to the end, when you're screwing something, it's not going to slide in your hand. So I really like this part. So it's pretty strong because I can't hold it with my fingers. I think it's a little bit stronger than the older model, the ES20, and I really like it. I think it has a much more torque. Now let's do something really quick. I'm not sure if I got the right bit, but anyway, I'm preparing to go with this weekend and do some listening with my Spherix receiver. So I need to put in a battery because I took it out. Yeah, I took the wrong one. Let me pick the right one actually. So I think it's this one maybe. Let's see. I hope I got the right one. Yeah, this one. Oh my god, you have no idea how much I love this. So you see, it dropped on the table, but let's do it on top of this pad, and I make sure that I don't lose anything, because it will just stick to the pad. And I open the case. Let me take the battery. So yeah, I would recommend you, if you use batteries, to always take them out, because sometimes you might have bad surprises. Okay, I got it. Now let's put it back in. So it's really nice. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell you a funny story regarding the strength of this electric screwdriver. Now you have to imagine that this one, it was designed for electronics, now don't imagine that it's extremely strong, because it's not like a tool that you would use in your workshop, like one of those big handheld tools that you also use for drilling and stuff. Because I had one of my friends, I made him a present, one of the ES20 screwdriver sets, and he gave me a call back, and he was like, oh man, but this one is not really strong. And I said, what you're using it for? And he's like, oh, I tried to take out some screws from my bicycle. So I could just imagine his rusty screws on the bicycle and him trying with this tiny electric screwdriver to take out those old screws. So definitely it's not designed for that. It's designed for electronics, like little things like a camera, a phone, a laptop, and electronics, a radio, a transceiver in our case, but definitely not for the bicycle. So yeah, I really like it. It's definitely a lot stronger than the older model. So yeah, it saves me a lot of time. Having a good tool sometime that helps you save time, it's much more important, because why not finishing work a lot faster and going to spend time with your family or your friends, rather than keep working and wasting time. So yeah, I really like it. Definitely I would recommend it, and if you think you need one for your workbench, well, then don't forget to use the discount code 15 Yankee Oscar 6 Delta X-Ray Echo, and you'll get 15% off on your purchases from Kaiweets.com. I'll leave a link down in the video description, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you like it as much as I do. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. It's a very short review. There's not much to talk about it. I'm just can't wait to get back to work over here and try to finish this this camera. It's a little nightmare for me, but anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, 73 from Yankee Oscar 6 Delta X-Ray Echo, and if you're not coming back to the channel until later on, well, I'll say from now, happy holidays, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but I'll post a couple of more videos until then, so I would recommend you to come back for some interesting project. Anyway, that's it for today, 73, and have a happy weekend.